back when we were brave. I still keep
Nice, right? Well, yeah, that was all done by AI. Hey, and how are you doing? Remember when we explored the amazing Music Creator AI program? Well, in this video, we are going to create an AI music channel. So, are you excited? Let's go. First, we are going to generate the music. Like I've alluded to in the beginning, we are going to use Music Creator AI tool. Click the link in the description to get started and log in if you haven't already. Now, go to the AI music generator and then we simply need to add a prompt. And for this video, we are going to make an AI music channel that has 80s music. So, let's go to any AI chatbot, like for example, the one from Google, and ask the following. Now, I want to create a YouTube channel that has 80s AI music. First, I want to create 10 different tracks. So, I need 10 different prompts from you, which I will use in my AI music generator. They need to sound really like iconic 80s songs. You do not need to provide the lyrics, only a prompt how it should sound like. Amazing! Now it is really easy. We simply copy each prompt and paste it in the music generator and let it generate, and then we take the second prompt and generate it also, and so on. The generations take around 30 seconds, and then we can already listen to the result, and the program gives us 2 different versions. Let's quickly go over all the generated tracks and download them.
white roses on the dresser, old ticket on the floor, your sweater on the chair back, like you're walking through that door. Coffee cup still in the kitchen, lipstick on the rim, half cold. I trace the steam that isn't rising, as if it's something I can hold. Your echo in the hallway, coffee cup still here to get to you again.
Double knot, sun up, hot already, hot mirror says you're closer than you think. Small wins on a sticky note, playlist hit, let's go. Sweat starting before I even blink. Run it back again, every step says I can. Little louder, little prouder, feel it kick in from the start to the end. I got run it back again.
fluorescent rain, laughing while we drown the pain. Signal in the shopping mall. Right on. Voices in fluorescent rain. And the world just stopped. Did we grow up or just grow apart? Good time, let your body draw the line on the floor. The trouble's at the door, at the door. Oh yeah. Spark keeps burning every time we clench our fists. Run it to feel it. Every scar becomes a sign.
Arcade heartbeat beating like the flashing screen every time you riding home on your old bike, talking like we've known our whole life. Wind in hair and tangled feet, you miss.
Now, we could upload each track separately, but I had the idea to create an 1-hour mix. Add all the tracks into a video editing software and put them in the order you like. Now next, let's take care of the metadata and visual aspect of our channel to be. We go to customization, and now we change our name to AI80s Guy. Same goes for the handle. Now we need to get ourselves a new profile picture. We will use Grok for this. You can access Grok when going to your X account. Let's ask, create a YouTube profile icon for me, AI80s Guy. Oh, I do not quite like that. Let's write, bro, do something with 80s. It is about 80s music. Way better. Take the one that fits best and upload it to YouTube. Now we need a visual for our hour-long AI80s music compilation, so let's ask. I created more than 1 hour-long AI80s music mix. I need a visual for that. Please create a widescreen image for that. This is where Grok usually messes up. In this case, we simply need to ask the same question but start in a new chat and everything will be fine. That looks amazing. Now add it to the project. Export the video, and before you upload it to YouTube, let me tell you something detrimental. Be sure you have all the rights and commercial license to be able to upload it to YouTube. So, recommend choosing one of their monthly subscription plans. Now, let's say for the next video, we want to make a compilation of 80 songs that are solely inspired by Phil Collins. Well, the process is the same. We first ask an AI chatbot, like Google AI or Gemini, whatever it is called, or ChatGPT or Grok, something like, amazing! Now I want to create a compilation or mix of Phil Collins-style songs. Give me 10 prompts to create 10 Phil Collins-like songs. Don't use the name Phil Collins because that is not allowed. Now take each prompt one by one and paste it into the Music Creator AI tool and generate the music. Now add it to a video editing software and also generate a visual in Grok. Render the video and upload it to YouTube. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own AI music channel and generate some amazing AI music. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! I will end the video with one of the Phil Collins inspired songs. Enjoy!